This is my quarantine hair. It's horrible. It's better now. I made this leather mug holder. It's not perfect, but I made it and I'm proud of myself. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Cobby here, and today I got this Whitby cant knife and I'm gonna make you an optimal review. Has a pretty simple box. It says Whitby knife since 1961, canned olive wood made in China. Nowadays I'm still rocking this Camelus reverb pocket knife, but unfortunately this one's not legal in the UK for EDC because it has a lock. I was a bit wrong because I said it has an assisted opener, but this one doesn't. Only this thumbstick helps me to flick this knife like that. But guys, just feel free to join our EDC community. It's the EDC cooperative, and just join for the fun, have a conversation, and see you there. This one's my other main knife. This is the Fox Suru. I didn't make a review about this one because there are tons of on YouTube, but if you want to see my review, just let me know and I'll make it for you. Slipjoint knife, 3-inch blade, tack sharp, beauty. Oh my love. Now just focus on this knife here. Let's see what's in the box. There we go. So this one's the Hollywood version of the cant knife. It has this nail opener. I'm not a huge fan of it because I don't always have a nail. This looks very similar to the James Brand County, but slightly different, probably because of copyright things. There's no side play on the blade. The blade looks well centered. And I was just watching Nick Shaba's video. He wasn't very happy about the James Brand product. He was talking about some rough edges at the connection of the wood and the metal, but I can't really feel anything. It feels very smooth to me and it feels like a very good, well-made product, except this part here, which is a bit unfortunate. There's a lanyard hole. It's not easy to open. I hope I can get used to it. It's not too easy to close. For £26, just go for it. Now just make some quick slicing. Okay, so here I got this bits of cardboard. Let's just quickly see how it works. Okay, here's another cardboard. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's sharper than I expected. I got this plastic box here. Goes through very smoothly. Whoa. Look at that. And I got this water bottle. I feel like Horse Fox in the TV shop. Now just make a quick size comparison. This is the Whitby cant. I just put a lanyard on it in the meantime. This is the Camelus Reverb. This one has a 3-inch blade. This is the Victorinox. And here's my Fox Suru. I was a bit wrong because this is a bit less than 3-inch, but it's UK legal, so that what matters to me. Yesterday I had a conversation with a friend in this cooperative group, and he said he's very close to the James Brand company and they just did some legal actions against Whitby because they copied their design. We're not here to judge, but because you know James Brand put a lot of money, time and effort to make this design. And if you can, I highly recommend to support the James Brand company because, as you know, I really like their design. I still got this Elko knife and I have this white limited edition Benton pen. Just got it from Canada. But in my opinion, a clone like this still could be a good alternative for those who just want to try something before they spend a lot of money on a more expensive piece of equipment. Because, you know, there's no stores, no shops around me where I can try the James Brand knife. But after I got this, I will definitely consider to invest money into the James Brand knife. But if you don't like it, you only spent £26. So that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Just give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming optimal review. Goodbye.